In this video, we'll demonstrate how to create a new listing using the Input tool. You can access the Input tool by clicking on the Input tab in Matrix. You can also access the Input tool by selecting the Add Edit Listing widget from the Pillar 9 dashboard. To create a new listing, click on the Add New Listing button. Select the type of listing you'll be creating from any of the 6 available options. For this video, we will create a residential listing. The system automatically assigns your listing an MLS number and will show an incomplete status. Along the top are various action buttons, and the Input section tabs are below. Be sure to take some time to familiarize yourself with the fields found under each input section. Simply click on each section tab to expand. Here, you will see that mandatory fields are identified in green and have an exclamation mark and "is required" notice below. Some required fields are dependent on location, such as rural properties, or property types, such as condos. For a brief description of any field, click on the yellow question mark Help button beside its name. You can pre-populate some of your listing data fields using the Tax Autopop button. This feature allows you to enter a link number, or search by suite number, street number, and street name to pull any available tax information. Please note, for street name, only enter the name, for example Maple, and not Maple Drive or Maple Avenue. This will bring up search results. Here, you select your property from the list by clicking the Update button. This will fill your listing with any available information, including things like street number, name, type and direction, link number, annual tax amount year, legal plan, zoning code, and year built. Please note that this tax data may not be available in all locations. However, the latitude and longitude data for all locations is available for all link numbers across the province. This information is connected to the location plotter. It is recommended that you use the Tax Autopop whenever possible to help with the plotting of your property, in particular for rural properties. At any time, you can select the Validate button to highlight required fields that haven't been completed. It provides a validation summary at the top, which is interactive. Click on the validation error to be brought directly to the field Missing Mandatory Information. You will also notice that the Validate button changes the fields and warning messages from green to red. Open and close this section by clicking here. You will want to save any changes you have made by clicking the Save as Incomplete button. If you don't want to save the changes you've made, simply click the Discard Changes button. You can preview your incomplete listings before making them active through Matrix. From the Matrix homepage, you can access your incomplete listings from the My Listings widget. Simply select My Incomplete Listings, locate the listing you wish to preview, and click on the MLS number to view your listing and review its details and accuracy. When you're ready to make your listing active, navigate back to your listing through the Input tool, and then simply click Submit. The system will warn you if you are missing any required fields. If all the fields are entered correctly, your new listing will be active and ready for the real estate market. Be sure to visit the Matrix training section on pillar9.com for additional training resources.